Well, hey guys, today I'm on the Carnival Dream in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. We're fixing to go on the mega truck country ride and culture with lunch excursions. There's my tickets right there. It said we meet on the pier. These were about $90 a piece at the at the time of the this video. So hey, it's supposed to be a big mega truck, but I'm going to take my camera along and document it so you can see what it's like. Let's go. Well, we made it to the mega truck place. There's my tickets. Just waiting on them to get here and take us to it. So far, so good. Yeah, we got a guy up there with a sign. He's leading us to, I think he said we was going to be on some kind of shuttle that takes us to the mega truck. We'll find out. I could be wrong. Well, looks like we got some buses here. Little band. I believe I'm seeing the mega trucks over here. Yeah, that looks like what we're going to get on right there. Yeah, in case you wonder what you got to do to get on this thing, there's a ladder you got to climb. So 1, 2, 3, about 5 steps. Well, we are on the truck. I'm going to spin the camera around, let you see what it looks like. Mega truck. It was just a short walk over to the truck from where we met, so if you worried about, having to walk, that was very short. Well, here we are leaving the parking lot. Not real sure what all we're going to do, but I know we're supposed to have lunch and culture and all that. We'll see.
Holy water, So I also give you the thanks for choosing us, for coming. Do you think? No, go to the zone 5. I send them away, get away, Now you're going to the school, public. Yeah, but the public school, we don't have to pay for it.
Well, we haven't made it out of town yet. We're still trying to get out of town. These streets are very, very narrow.
Okay.
God said this is called Umbrella Street. I wonder why.
Cathedral of San Felipe.
Well, looks like we're finally starting to get on the edge of town.
People that buy and they be box and box. Or some people rent it to the city hall. So Catholic people and grapes. Written normal. Before, you know what is a midwife? Yeah. But actually, no more. You know the medical education? You need it to have medicines. No, here. Is that some of the rooster boxes? Box for the roosters. For us to know when they arrive, we have to touch it and press. If you take it soft, then they will. Once it's right, we get off again by the little bubble. public school. Will you be able to have a look inside the classroom, take picture of them? If you bring some candy or whatever, you're gonna give it to the teachers or to the principal.
Yeah, they stopped at a Dominican school, going in the classroom. I believe I can see the Mardi Gras in the Dream.
My body guide.
Well, we stopped here. Looks like several mega trucks here. Supposed to have lunch. I'll get a shot of what I'll fill you in more as I know more. Like this, where we're gonna have lunch. They got a nice, they got a buffet set up over there. This lady over in this hut, she's fixing up something we're going to try. Looks like some type of cocoa bean, chocolate, and a bunch of stuff mixed together. Looks like we're going to go give it a try.
Cocoa beans when they dry, and after drying, then we continue using a pan.
Wanda Tamalin.
So, what is this? I'm not sure what I'm fixing to drink, but it's hot. Cocoa. I made it over there. It's pretty good. Actually, I didn't expect it to be good, but it really is. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, looks like we're going to some kind of nature walk now.
The name of the tree in English is gourd. Gourd, yes? So it's so when you finish, you go back to this.
What's the name of this tree?
Gourd. Gourd. So for the maracas. Higuero. Oops, sorry.
Well, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that mega truck country ride with Culture and Lunch. I thought I'd go over a few things, give you a few tips on this particular excursion. We left out about 11 o'clock and got back about 4:15, so a little over 5 hours. It was about $90 a piece. One thing to look out for now, if you've got any kind of mobility problems, there's about 5 steps to get up in the back of that truck. So if you have any kind of trouble like that, that's really the only thing that's really tough, is getting up and out of the truck. But they do help you, and the guides are really friendly and very helpful. Now we got to ride down through the city. We got to see, you know, all the city stuff. Then we went out in the country and we rode all through the country, up in the mountains. We got to stop at a country home, kind of went through the country home, see what it looked like. Then we actually stopped at a country school, and we actually went into school. A lot of people brought gifts and stuff, goodies for the kids, and they give them to the kids. That was really nice. Then we went to a place and they had a buffet lunch. It was pretty good. I mean, you know, what do you expect on a tour? But it was decent. Then they had these chocolate tasting. They was making little cocoa out of the beans and stuff, and they made up some, and we got to taste that. Then they took us around out there and they showed us you know, all the plants and trees and stuff, banana trees, coconut trees, all the different fruits and stuff that grow here in the Dominican Republic.
then we made it back to the ship in, like I say, just a little over 5 hours.
You've been to Amber Cove and you have a recommendation on excursion here, or want to comment on this mega truck excursion, please feel free to do so down there in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy cruising.